In this video, you'll learn how to master Claude Code by breaking down tasks into manageable micro steps. The focus will be on creating clear and concise prompts that enhance the effectiveness of your coding workflow with Claude. The first step involves learning to think in micro tasks. Mastery in coding comes from breaking down complex projects into smaller, actionable steps. Instead of asking a broad question like how to build a social media app, specify a task such as creating a Mongoose user model that includes fields for username, email, password, and created apps. This approach helps maintain clarity and focus. Next, provide context rather than presenting the entire project at once. Claude works best when given relevant information. Include the technology stack and version, the specific function or file related to the task, and a brief description of the problem. For instance, you might mention using Node version 18 with Express and MongoDB, and then state that a particular route handler is slow, taking 3 seconds to respond. This targeted input helps Claude generate better solutions. It is also important to ask for explanations along with code. Senior developers value the reasoning behind. For example, you could prompt Claude with a request to explain why a specific MongoDB query is slow and ask for production-safe fixes. This not only helps you understand the code better, but also enables you to learn patterns instead of simply copying code. Claude is particularly effective for refactoring existing code. When you identify issues such as N+1 query problems or inefficient React re-renders, use Claude to suggest improvements. A sample prompt could be to ask Claude to refactor code that queries the database inside a loop to avoid N+1 queries. This helps to enhance performance and maintainability. Another crucial step involves auditing and reviewing the generated code. Never trust the output blindly. For example, you can prompt Claude to review a specific function for security vulnerabilities, performance issues, and readability. After applying the suggested changes, ensure to test the code locally to verify its effectiveness. Learning patterns from Claude can significantly enhance your development practices. You can ask for suggestions on scalable folder structures for a Node.js REST API, or create a back-end coding standard template that includes. Reuse these insights to establish team standards that promote consistency and quality in your projects. Finally, testing everything is essential for maintaining quality in your code base. Claude may not be perfect, so running unit tests, testing API endpoints, and checking front-end functionality are critical steps. Monitor performance regularly to ensure your applications run efficiently. After each task, reflect on how the results can be made faster, safer, or cleaner. This iterative approach is key to mastering coding with Claude.